How to log in with Apple ID in the Nvidia. If you are wondering on how to use your Apple ID and log in on it, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser that you use, just like this. After opening it, tap on Nvidia login just like this. And after that, tap on to Nvidia account right here. You will be shown something like this. Now to log in with Apple, simply tap on to log in with Apple right here. Tap on it. Now use your Apple account to sign in to Nvidia. Now add your Apple account just like this and tap on to this arrow right here. After that, tap on to continue with password. After adding it, tap on to this arrow. And now you can see you have been logged in with your Apple ID. Now you can see your Apple ID just right here. You can use the Nvidia account. And that's it. This is how you can log in with the Apple ID in the Nvidia. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.